That's high speed on it. I'm going to adjust the speed down so it has a little more torque to pull the carriage, because it has a hard time staying in gear. There's your forward and reverse on the feed here. And all these gears, slow it down. All of them work okay. Switch this over. Switch it here. This goes a little harder, so when you switch it to the other direction, I guess you gotta stop it for that. This lever does not want to stay down. You have to hold it down. It sounds terrible. It's not what you want to do, but that's the only way that I've been able to get it to run. So if you know how to get that to stay down, it's something that needs to be fixed. Up works okay. Everything runs as it should. So that's worth noting. Don't depend on that staying down. That engages as well. It's a little higher speed, so run it back. This moves okay, but it's very sticky. So that, and you have your clutch here, or the collet to loosen that up. There's a collet. There's that. And the bed here is pretty bad shape. Clearly that's not going to be, might not even run properly. You can get this across, but can't get it back very well. It's all melted here. Something's been very hot, or then it got hit. This runs across it, but and the carriage might be accurate too, for that matter, except for this section right here. I'm sure it's not. Locks in place. This still locks. Yeah, it's very old, as you can see. Still runs, but definitely needs some adjustments. Maybe new gears in here. Not sure on that, but it's got 3 speeds on the pulley. Single phase, it's a 110. Not much to see there, but